May the 4th be with you. Firstly, you're going to want to come in with any hot pink eyeshadow or like a hot red eyeshadow and put that over top of your base. Next, just blend that out a little bit. Add some more in for good measure. Now for the actual lightsaber portion, I'm going to be coming in with a Drug Lord from Jeffree Star Cosmetics and a very, very, very fine detailing brush. To put even more lightsaber effect into this, you just want to go around the white that we just put down with the same pink that we previously put down, or if you're on the other eye, the blue, with a very fine detailing brush. Waiting for that to dry. Next up is the line work, and that's going to be basically just making the handle. Next, we're going to be taking that same pink that we used up here and putting it just below our lower lash line. Blend that out. For the inner corner, I'm going to be putting down a Jelly Much eyeshadow. So the Jelly Much eyeshadow I added as my base to my blue eye. It was Just Your Voice from the Villains collection. As for my other eye, it was Doves and Roses. I topped my blue eye with Baseline and my red eye with Upon a Star. Next up, mascara.